How to subtract a whole by a decimal. As always, when we come across a subtraction equation we can't complete in our heads, we must use our column subtraction method. So let's place our numbers into this method. 37 on top, as it is the first number in our equation. 12.69 beneath. I know 12 goes under 37 as they are both 10s and 1s. I can see that there were no digits above the 6 and the 9. I need to change that. My decimal place never moves or goes anywhere, and I know it comes after the ones column, so I can put it into my first number here. Now, I know there is nothing in each of these columns, and I can represent nothing with a 0, just like this. Finally, all I need to do is subtract, like I normally would. 0 subtract 9. Oh, I can't do. I move one space to the left and take 1. Oh, I can't do it again. So I move one place to the left and take 1 from there. 7 becomes 6 and the column to the right gets 1, turning it into 10. Unfortunately, I still have 0 subtract 9 and I still can't do it. But the column to the left now has 10 and I can exchange 1 from there. Let's see. 10 becomes 9 and I carry 1 to my column, which makes 10. Now I have 10 here, I can subtract 9. 10 subtract 9 is 1. Moving along. 9 minus 6 is 3. Moving along. Decimal point down. That is very important. Into my ones column. What's the difference between 6 and 2? 4. And finally, 3 subtract 1. 2. Giving an answer of 24.31.